Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for weekly family and automotive content. Today, where are we at, Head?
Cars for Kacie, and it's at the Downtown East High School. And for more information, you can go to kaciescalls.com.
And we go to this local event every year to support this cause. So Chester County law enforcement's involved in this, and well, we enjoy coming to this event, right, Heddy?
Yeah, it's a fun one. It's definitely family friendly, and you know, it's for a good cause.
We make the streams louder.
It's so pretty. What the?
Well, see, look, you got 1, you got 2, and you got 3. And that's a big old gas tank.
You enjoying the BDS 4-link underneath there?
Oh yeah, I was looking at, holy cow. You don't see one of those every day.
I'm too short, I can't see. You want me to lift you?
You can go inside if you want. You want to check it out inside?
Oh my god, there you go. There you go, there's the
Yeah, I got
Don't
you.
hit that car.
Oh god.
I, of course,
Can I take it, please?
Can you take it?
Let her test drive it.
Oh my god. That'd be scary.
Just one test drive.
practically
When
a
a
monster
burnout
truck.
will be fine, and I'll bring it back. I promise. That's why I don't have my license on me right now. Liar. I don't have my license. I don't know.
Wow.
Oh, I'm in love.
I don't think you can charge it on your credit card.
No,
How much does all this cost?
a lot.
Yeah,
A lot. The truck itself is stickered at like $67,000.
This makes me feel like a shrimp. Just
What's the
like
weight
I
at?
know. I'm standing underneath
I
you.
don't
Oh
know.
my
I
god.
haven't weighed it.
I cannot.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can imagine the heaviest.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, gorgeous.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah,
It is beautiful. I love the lights and everything.
Do you want to start it?
Start it. Yes, I want to start it.
Hop in. Start it.
I got it. You just have press. There's a button. You don't need.
Yep, you just put your foot on the brake. I'll put the key in it. Yeah.
I just died! Oh my god! Woo. That's diesel. That's diesel. That's what diesel is. Cummins. I know. I heard it on the way home from him yesterday. What it was too. Oh. Yo, the perfect song that would be playing right now is Diesel Gun. Right now. There you go. Perfect. It's beautiful. What are you looking at?
Several days later. Sorry for the abrupt ending at the car show. Heather wasn't feeling good. My back started going out on me. And then Sunday, my back went completely out on me, and Heather was still down for the count. So it was a struggle. I missed a few days of work, but all is well in the world. Heather's back to normal. I'm back to normal. I think her Beachbody 4 lift or something that we started might have had a factor to do with my back, because I haven't trained in so long, but I'm back into the training thing. It's not gonna stop me from training. We're gonna be back out completing that lift 4, Beachbody lift 4 with the wife. But I wanted, some stuff came in while I was down and out, so I wanted to show you guys. If you're following me on Instagram, Rambeast Projects, you probably have an idea what came already. So our 2nd gen swap from WCFab Customs is right here. Our new turbo. I'll give you guys more details on that in a future video, probably in the next video. Our Steed Speed exhaust manifold from our friends up north. Thank you guys. This is a special package. The wife doesn't have, she knows that she got a package, but we didn't want to open it with her being under the weather and me being under the weather. So she has no clue what this is. It's from a longtime supporter of the channel, Lock Her Down. So I'm going to call her out here in a minute. And then we got our Mishimoto radiator from our friend Doug Clennell, a longtime subscriber of the channel. He had an extra one. He said, do you want it? I said, sure. And we're going to have some more products from Mishimoto coming very soon, guys. So I want to thank you guys for placing your Rambeast Projects merch orders. The pre-sale, the pre-order has gone very well. We're hoping to have those products in our hands by mid-week next week. We'll pick that up. We'll get all that stuff shipped out to you by the end of the week. Thank you guys so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And if you don't know already, I'm officially an AMSOIL dealer. So check out the links below for our links to AMSOIL, beastsynthetics.com. That's me, that's us. That also helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you this awesome content. I'm very, very pumped to do this 2nd gen swap with Dirty Diesels. We're just trying to get a date set to get all this done. My work schedule's kind of hectic right now, but trust me guys, it's not going to be long. It's not going to be long. All these goodies are going to be going in the Beast. This will probably be later when I get the other part from them. We'll probably be doing this later, but this will be going in very soon. Very soon. I can't freaking wait. Without further ado, let's get the wife. Let's surprise the wife. Miss Heddy, the vlog is calling you. I think she's dying. She still might be under the weather, guys. She still might be under the weather. Just hacking along. Oh, still hacking.
I'm sorry.
You alive?
It's gross.
Fall's officially here in Pennsylvania. It's a beautiful day, a little chilly. But babe, this is your box. This is yours. You have no clue what that is.
I don't.
She knows that it was coming, but she has no clue. And she knows this from a longtime supporter of the channel. So I will open this safely for you and let you open the box. You all right?
I don't know. I think I'm choking on air.
Still don't have any idea, right?
No. I do now, though.
What do you got?
That's so cool. Is this for the 4Runner?
What do you think it's for?
Yeah, I guess my other car that I don't know I have. This is so cool.
And they even hooked me up with their e-lock system.
Oh, I'm so
it's got
excited.
that
You know what that means?
digital.
I'm going to have to go to Westchester.
Yeah, you have to get your permit.
Yeah.
You have to get a permit to carry. But you can also keep your valuables in here as well.
Yeah, like when I take my rings off and everything else. My wallet that I always tend to leave in the car.
Yep. But now it's going to be safe.
Oh, I'm excited. Thank you so much.
Thanks to Lock Her Down.
Thank you so much, Lock Her Down. I'm so excited. Now I'm like the big dogs.
You're the big dogs. You got a gun safe, or automotive safe for your 4Runner.
Oh, I'm very, very excited. Thank you. Thank you.
No clue, guys. She had absolutely no clue what it.
I never would have expected this
She
at
just
all.
knew that the box was heavy. You want to pull it out so they can see it? We're probably not going to install this today, guys, but we will do an install video of this.
Oh, I got magnets.
Oh, cool. They sent you the magnets. Check that out.
That's so awesome. Oh, look at it.
It's all cute. It's little compared to mine.
I was going to say, yeah, it's a lot easier for me to carry than yours was. Yours is 4. See, this is why you should read instructions. That's what a woman would have done. That's what I would have done.
Well,
now it sounds like it's going to explode.
It sounds like a bomb.
Always read instructions, ladies. Yeah. Don't do like daddy.
Yeah. Seriously though, guys, look at the thickness the gauge of this steel. I mean, this is heavy, heavy duty, made in the good old USA.
That's so cool. Yeah.
From our friends at Locker Down. That's pretty cool. I don't know why it's beeping. I guess we should have read instructions.
I have a question. Do you make your own password up, or does it give
We make our own password up, and you're not going to get it. Sneaky. This one's always trying to steal mom's passwords, and she gets them. That's the crazy thing. She gets them. Because this one doesn't pay attention.
Mommy's password?
What do you say about that?
I just don't really
What do you say about that,
care to get into stuff.
What
she
is
got it.
that? It's amazing what instructions tell you.
It's amazing.
Look at that. Just look at it. You can put your magnet. Yours is deeper than mine, so it's nice. You can mount your firearm right to the side with the magnet that they gave us.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yeah, seriously.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I was not expecting this at all.
Seriously, guys, if you haven't already, check out lockerdown.com. And they actually have a discount for our subscribers. It's 10% off, and I believe free shipping. I know you guys have been using it. If you're new to the channel and this is the first time you're coming across it, definitely check them out. Use our discount code. It's Ram Beast. And we also have a discount code for our WCFab, which is also Ram Beast, and that's for free shipping. But 10% off and free shipping for Locker Down, Ram Beast. Seriously, always check out our description. It's very important stuff down there. I'm always getting questions about different things that we're talking about in the videos. It's all in the description. Just go down there. There's discount codes for other companies. Headlight Revolution, I'm hooking you guys up. I'm trying to hook you guys up with these awesome companies that we work with.
This will help with my Heddy's Teddies. Like, now I can travel safely.
Now you can travel safely. That's awesome. You're gonna love it, Head.
I'm excited.
I use mine every day.
I have her getting my phone because I need to snap this. I'm excited.
You're gonna snap it?
I'm gonna snap it.
Should I show them anything, or should I do an unboxing video?
Oh no,
Make 'em wait?
unboxing.
Unboxing video?
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess the next video, guys, will be an unboxing video. I'm just gonna explain the reasons why I went with this company and the turbo sizes. But next video, unboxing.
Oh. I sent her in to get my phone that was in my back pocket.
Big thanks to our subscriber Doug. Sent us the Mishimoto radiator for the Beast. She is gonna run cooler than ever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up anyway.
That's right.
And if you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Smash it.
Run it over with your truck or car.
Don't break your phone, guys. Don't do that.
No, don't do that. I just did that. Don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, we just got a new phone for Heather. So
Don't do that.
we love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.
Bye.